Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, I hope everyone is doing okay. In today's video, I will be hopping on to this trend. I don't think it has a name, but I'm going to call it the Ombre on Ombre French tip. It's all over the place on Instagram, TikTok. I don't think I've seen it on YouTube as yet, so I'm really excited to post this video. Probably by the time I post it, there's already a tutorial on it, but yeah, let's get into the video. By the way, my hair is looking nice. I'm looking nice. For the tips, I'm going to be using these Coffin Dynamic Nail Supply tips. If you watch my Dynamic Nail Supply haul, then you'll see these in it. So I'm just going to size these out and come back real quick. If you're using tips like these with the kind of pointy edge, please remember to cut it off, or else it's going to be difficult to file off and it's going to leave your nail looking bulky. I'm not going to record all of this, but I am going to put a layer of clear acrylic on my nails for the base. I'll probably just put a minute of me applying the clear acrylic and then I move on to the design. These are my nails filed and buffed. I didn't have any full cover tips, so I used some acrylic. That's the apex. The apex is like the favorite part of the nail for me. Look at that. I'm going to use the base coat so that the gel polish can have a nice smooth surface to go on. My cuticles are giving 50 shades of crusty right now, but don't mind that. These are how the nails are looking. These are kind of looking like glass nails. So here's the color palette: pale pink, Barbie pink, nude, and a burgundy. So for the index, I'm going to start off by applying the lighter color on the left. I'm going to apply the Barbie pink on the right. So without putting it in the lamp, I'm going to try to blend it with a color gel brush.
Rubbish. Rubbish.
Tell me, why did I realize that it wasn't working when I finish the 4 fingers with 2 coats. 2 coats, 2 coats. So what I had to do was to do them back over. I didn't take it off, I just put on a 3rd coat. You'll see in the next clip, I think I did the big finger and another finger. After doing the big finger, I realized that I could blend it a lot better by a different method, so that's what I'm going to show you. So I applied some more gel. What I'm going to do is to dip the brush in the lighter color. And then I'm going to blend vertically, not horizontally, because I don't want it to look like this. I want it to look like this. Okay, so I used the lighter color to blend into the other color, and I'm going to use the other color to blend into the lighter color. So this is it. This is the vertical blend. As you can see, look, it looks very different from the others. So I'm going to repeat that on all the nails. I'm going to start the French tips now. It is currently, what time is it? It is 1:06 a.m. and I didn't drink any coffees, so I'm just going to try and get this over with really quickly. For the French tips, you're going to use the opposite color in each section. Right here I'd use the hot pink, and the tip for over here I use the light pink. Okay, so these are what they are looking like. I am really tired. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, so I'm just going to top coat it and show you the final look. I am done with the nail set. This is how they are looking. I am really tired, guys. I'm just going to go to my bed. Probably I have to take the thumbnail picture tomorrow, but yeah, this is how they're looking.
Bye, have a great time.